that little today. Bell end!
Well, that was naughty as shit. Shit me.
Nino.
MLG.
Yeah. Dick.
Lovely, just pull out onto the roundabout, why not? What the hell?
Is that the lorry? At the car?
Yeah. Car cut the lorry up. You just mount the pavement to get round because you couldn't be bothered to wait, what, a second, 2 seconds? Oh dear.
Be on the phone, mate. Pavement, look.
For 3/4 of a mile.
Oh shit.
Are you turning or not? No, you're not, right? Are you turning down this one? No, you're not turning down that one either. You're going down this one. Right, you've got no clue where you're going there.
what you want to do tonight, whether you want.
They're saying a picture of the top.
Yeah. That was clearly red. That was clearly red. There's no way that wasn't.
What a twat. That's red. I don't know if the camera caught that. Far left.
Not actually.
Oh.
What the actual doing?
Go, Pam. Can you get Pam?
Now they're going to run some people over.
All the time.
The other thing as well, that was close. A few days ago, though. Oh, and he wants to come in. Oh, neither of you know what you're doing. No, wrong lane.
I'm right. It's a car and a broken tree.
Go down again. We're going to go for walking.
Scumbag. Another scumbag. That makes 3 scumbags.
We'll let them go past before we get the dog out.
Yeah.
Single day. Oh, what I become reincarnated as. Come on.
Nice R8 there. Hiding there.
Oh wow! Will! Look out the window, Will! Will! Look at this! Look at this! PU6775. Whoa!
There you go, it's a nice large camper van, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's always parked in the hedge. Can't imagine 2 weeks away in the south of France in one of those.
No.
Right, let's